Welcome, Chinese 300 class parents. My name is Haining. 我的中文名字是邓丽。Because we have some students new to our Chinese program this year, please allow me to introduce myself a little. I grew up in China, went to Fudan University in Shanghai. I also have a master's degree in economics. I have been teaching at Inglemoor since 2011. I am very excited to have your students back in person this year. One of my plans this year is to help your students connect to teachers, school staff, and their peers. I think it's very important for students to feel connected and feel belonging to our school, especially after a year and a half remote learning. We have a new classroom this year, 603, because you don't get to see my classroom this year, so I'll show you some photos. Students' work from the past are displayed. A big map of China. Some posters of sceneries in China. You may recognize Shanghai from the top left poster, Shanghai. A little more about me. I like birding, dancing, and writing. I have many articles published in Chinese newspapers and magazines. I went birding a lot this summer with my husband. You can see a mandarin duck here. Mandarin duck is a special bird in Chinese culture. It's a symbol of love. Yuanyang, the Chinese name for mandarin duck is yuanyang. It's rare to see yuanyang in the US. I was lucky to see one in Kirkland. Something unique about me, I was an Inglemoor parent for 6 years. My son and my daughter both graduated from Inglemoor. My son graduated in 2018. He likes to play chess, cello, piano, and soccer. He studies computer science in college now. My daughter Karen graduated in 2020. She likes crew, piano, and viola. She studies piano and computer science in college. I can say my children help me understand teenagers. I understand they have a life after school, so I don't overload them with assignments. I also like to balance real learning and fun in classroom. As a result of real learning, every year, my students pass IB Chinese tests, including those students who don't have any Chinese background at home. So you know your students are in good hands. We also learn Chinese culture through Chinese holiday celebrations. In the past, we had field trips to Chinatown. The Mid-Autumn Festival is coming next Tuesday. So we're going to have some fun activities in class. Besides teaching Chinese, I supervise the Chinese Club, Coding and Computing Club this year. Our Chinese Club hosts school-wide Chinese New Year party and ping pong tournaments. I like to help students build leadership skills through club activities. Last year, we were fortunate to have UW Line Dance come to perform at a Chinese New Year party. We have our own Ingomore line dance team. We have 2 lines and some Chinese instruments, drum, gongs, and cymbals. We need performers and musicians. So parents, please encourage your students to join the line dance team. Now, let me get into a little more serious matter, the curriculum. We have been using Chinese Made Easy Level 3 for Chinese 300 for many years. It will be the backbone of our curriculum. Lessons this year will cover appearance and personality, food and nutrition, health, shopping, community, environment, and technology. We'll use supplemental materials such as iChinese Reader, Chinese songs, TV shows, and movies. Here is the grading system your students already know. We're going to continue using iChineseReader.com. It's a website with more than 3,000 audio ebooks and 20 different levels. As you may know, that pleasure reading is a very effective way to learn a language. And students can find access of books at their levels on this website. The fee this year is $25. It's more than last year. But still, it's a great bargain price, less than half of the individual subscription. I will let your students know how and when to pay for the fee after the district's approval. How can you help? Please encourage your students to read at iChineseReader.com. And you can help your students to earn culture points. For example, have your students cook a Chinese dish for your family. Celebrate Chinese holidays at home. Watch a Chinese movie in Mandarin with your student. If you don't speak Chinese, it's okay. You can have your students label all the food in your refrigerator in Chinese and ask them how to say those words. How to contact me? The best way to contact me is through email. Here is my email address. I have lots of resources on my teacher website, such as Chinese movies, TV shows, songs, and learning tools. Your students should know how to get to my website. Thank you very much for supporting your students learning Chinese. 谢谢，再见。